Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you know, please don't forget to subscribe below, like, and leave a comment. So I'm very happy for this video, and oh wow guys, we made it to 100 subscribers, so thank you guys. So now it's a new journey to 200 subscribers. So please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're watching it right now, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and don't push the notification button to see more of my videos. So you can see below, it's a get to know me tag. So I've been asked to do this video by a whole lot of people, and I was supposed to do it maybe like one of my first videos, but I got too excited to show you about my hair, so I forgot about this video. But anyway, I'm gonna do it now. So I'm gonna do a mix, so it's just gonna be the intro, it's gonna be about me, and then the rest of it is about my hair and the FAQs I get. So yeah, that's it. So let's start. My name is Joy, and my African name is Tsakani, which means be happy or happiness, which is in Tsonga. So I'm Tsonga, and I was born in Palabora in Libombo, which is in South Africa. So I am 25. Okay, no, I am 24, turning 25 on the 1st of November. So yeah, that's all about me. That's to the side. So now you know my name and where I'm from. So now let's get to the real deal. My hair. It's about my hair, guys. My channel is about my hair. Love my hair a lot. But anyway, so I'm gonna answer a few questions, and which is gonna be mixed with FAQs that I get asked by people in public. So yeah, so the question will pop up and then I'll answer it. So like that. So I'm gonna first answer the frequently asked question that I get when I'm in public, guys. So this is the question that I get asked. This, I think, when a person sees me for the first time, the first question they ask is this question. So yeah, let's start. So yes guys, this is my hair. So I don't have clip-ins, I don't have extensions, no additional hair, what I don't know what they call them. So this is all my hair. I don't even own clip-ins, I don't even own afro extensions, neither do I say I don't even own a wig or whatever. I don't own that. So this is all my hair, no extensions. Yeah. So my hair color is pitch black. So yeah, it's pitch black, no dye, no coloring, so it's naturally black. That's the color of my hair. It's just black, naturally black. Yeah. So what is my hair type? So guys, with this question I get confused a lot, you know, cause my hair, I don't know, I don't understand my hair at all. So the problem with my hair, it's 4C at the back. So it's like at the back it's legit 4C, but when we come to the front hair, it's a bit straight. So I think my hair is between 4B and 4C. So yeah, with that question I get confused when people ask me a lot, because when they see the front they think, did you blow out your hair? No. My hair is just, I think it just confused itself. So I'd say my hair is 4B/4C type. My hair porosity type, I am a low porosity. So my hair doesn't absorb moisture at all. So it doesn't absorb moisture, and it gets very it struggles to absorb moisture, and then it takes time to get dry. So that's my hair porosity. So in order to lock in moisture, I use the LCO method, which is I leave-in conditioner. So on my wet hair I'll put in leave-in conditioner, and then after that I'll put in cream or butter, hair butter, and then after that I'll seal it with oil. So yeah, that is my hair porosity type. I am low porosity. What products I use? So product brands I use, guys, I use a lot of product brands. I haven't found the best product brand for me, but you know, I found a product from different brands that I like. So the products I use will be Garnier Ultimate Blends, I use Afro Botanics, I use My Natural Hair, I use what else do I use? Tresemme, I use R Luxury. Yeah, if I forgot something, I don't know, but I use a lot of brands. So I haven't found the best one, but I found like products in the brands that I like. And then, you know, with products, guys, so depending on what I use, it might not work for some other people. So the trick about natural hair, you just need to get the best brand and best product that your hair likes or whatever. So what I use might not work for you. So, you know, in public, when you ask me, oh, I should use your shampoo, what shampoo you use, you might get that it doesn't work for your hair. So all you need, natural hair is all about risking, guys. So you need to try a whole lot of products in order to get the one that your hair really likes. So yeah, products I use a lot. So I haven't found the best product. I'm still looking for the best product that I use. So if you have any suggestions, please suggest below on what I should use and what I should try out. So at the moment, the shampoo and conditioner that I use, this from Ultimate Blend. So from Garnier Ultimate Blend. So I've been using this for the past 3 months, ever since I started my YouTube channel. So I've been using this shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, I use that shampoo and that conditioner. So that's what I'm using at the moment for my hair. How often do I wash my hair, guys? So this yeah, but I do, yeah. So how often I wash my hair, guys? So I'm supposed to wash my hair once a week and co-wash it once a week. So sometimes I forget to wash it, but if I forget to wash it, then I will co-wash it. If I forget to co-wash it, then I will wash it. So usually I wash my hair on Sundays, and then I do a co-wash on Thursdays. So just to keep my hair clean and less greasy, because products tend to build up on my hair. After washing it, then I will moisturize it and all that. But then by the time it's Thursday, I feel like my hair is dirty, and you know, it's spring, so it's humid a bit, so it feels like my hair gets greasy. So I wash my hair every Sunday, and I co-wash my hair every Thursday. But if I skip one, then I'll have to do the other. So how often I trim my hair? I trim my hair once every 4 months, which is 3 times a year. But sometimes when I see like my hair needs a trimming, I just trim before that 4 months. So yeah, that's how often I trim. My favorite hairstyle, guys, I have it on. Lucky. So this is my favorite hairstyle. So I feel like a bun is just easy to do. Like when you're in a hurry, the first thing that comes to my head is a bun. So cause the whole lot of hairstyles need your effort, and you need to wake up maybe like 2 hours before you have to leave and stuff. So this is the quickest thing I do. So this is my favorite hairstyle. If it's not this, then it's 2 Mickey Mouse buns, but I prefer this one. This is my favorite go-to hairstyle. So this is the first thing I think about when I'm in a hurry. So yeah, it's just the bun. So it can either be a messy bun or a clean bun. It depends. They're all easy to do. Yeah. So how do I keep my hair healthy and long? So this answer is related to the answer of how do I grow my hair. So let me put it in an easy context. So your hair is like you guys. So you know, almost you get thirsty every day. So there is no day that you don't drink water or hydrate yourself with any type of liquid. So your hair is like that. So your hair gets dehydrated also. So how I keep my hair healthy, it's I always hydrate my hair. So an easy way to do this is always have a water spray bottle so with you. So every morning and every evening I always spray my hair with water, and then I moisturize it with either with cream or oil, depending. But then you feel like once you do this you might build up products on your hair. No, if that's why I wash my hair every Sunday and Thursday, co-wash. So my products do build up, but my hair gets cleaned after 3 days or 4 days, you know. So that's how I keep my hair healthy. So it's a key, guys. Your hair is healthy when it's hydrated and well moisturized. That's how to keep your hair healthy. What I hate about my hair, guys, the thing that I hate about my hair, the only thing, there's just one thing I hate about my hair. My hair is way too long in front. So that's all I hate about my hair, that my hair is long and it looks straight in front, and then at the back it's how I want my hair to be. So you know, when I want to wear my hair loose, my front hair just tends to just bother my face, so it's just everywhere. So that's all I hate about my hair. Other than that, I love everything about my hair. Of course, it treats me right when I treat it right. So when I keep it clean, moisturize it and hydrate it, oh, it makes me look pretty and stuff. So yeah, I love my hair a lot. What I regret not doing to my hair, oh guys, so you know, when I started my natural hair like 4 years back, I didn't know anything. I didn't know that you have to hydrate your hair, that heat damages your hair and stuff. So what I regret is going to the salon and having my hair dry, like the heat, guys. I regret doing that. And I regret sometimes skipping a month, the whole month, without washing my hair. And the other thing that I regret is not giving my hair the love that it's supposed to have. Like, I didn't care about my hair. I just didn't care. So those are the things that I regret about my hair, not doing to my hair. So I feel like if I researched more about hair and I knew better about my hair would be like somewhere here now, you know. It'll be very long. Oh my gosh, I really want long hair. So that's all I regret about my. A tip that I'll give to everyone who's natural, even though you're not natural and you relax, it works both ways. So a tip that I'll give is that just keep your hair hydrated. So hydrate your hair and moisturize your hair. So that is the key to having healthy hair. So your hair, whether it's short or it's long, but if you don't hydrate it, it won't look beautiful. So what you have to do is hydrate your hair. Even when you have short hair, people will be like, oh wow, your hair looks healthy, you know. So all you have to do is just hydrate your hair and keep it moisturized. So that's the only key that I'll give to you. So yeah, that's it about my hair and just a little bit about me. So I know I should have done this video like way back, but I did it now for you guys. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe below, and if you've been watching my channel and not clicking on the subscribe button, please guys subscribe. And if you feel like I didn't answer something you needed to know about my hair or about natural hair, please just feel free to comment below and ask me, and then I'll answer on my next video. And then yeah, that's it about my hair, guys. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel.